Getting ready for your next family gathering? Sugardale Semi-Boneless Ham has you covered. This ham gives you the old-fashioned feel of a bone-in ham, but with minimal work. Once you've heated your semi-boneless ham, here's how to make the most of it. Whether you have a sharp carving knife or an electric knife, first identify where the ball joint is. Turn it towards the cutting board so the bone can act like a guide when carving the ham. To begin, you will insert your fork at the opposite end and carve horizontally through the center of the ham, following along the top of the bone till you cut the top half off. To get perfect dinner slices, place the top portion back onto the counter and proceed to cut your first slices of ham. Bring the bottom portion back onto your cutting board and flip the ham over so the cut side faces down. Then cut it in half again, using the bone as your guide. You'll then slice this piece of ham just as you did on your first cut, giving you an impressive platter of perfect slices. Whether you're gathering around the dinner table or hosting a holiday celebration, Sugardale Semi-Boneless Ham makes your entertaining easy. So, what do you do with the rest of your ham? You can make a third cut and slice the remaining ham into pieces that are perfect for your next sandwich. And finally, as you remove the smaller pieces of ham, you'll find that with a little bit of slicing and dicing, you'll have the perfect ingredient for soup on a cold day. Or lean protein for your next salad. Sugardale Semi-Boneless Ham, entertaining made easy.